Boys, oh, yeah, Mikey bells.
Don't come near me. I'll poke you. Just ask Jerry.
Don't listen to him, he's a joke. I met him in Spikeaholics Anonymous. You fucking asshole.
Holy cannoli, I give my girlfriend my ear and she says no, no, no. I may not always drink beer because there's gluten in it. I'm Glenn. I didn't deflate the balls, right? Yeah. Listen, guys, I didn't deflate the balls. I am Lord. Yeah. Lord. Feeling good on a Wednesday. I am Lord. Put that cookie down. No, I'm not the bellhead.
I'ma fuck you up. My office is pregnable. My daughter's impregnable.
We haven't eaten in 10 years.
We used to be attractive, but now we just look like bones covered in saran wrap. We gotta keep it down. Taylor's sleeping.
Happy. Depressed. Mad. Jewish. Gassy.
Hey everybody, I'm Zenu.
Layers. Onions have layers.
Taylor Swift's new music video, Bad Blood, directed by Michael Bay.
Sorry, I quaffed.
Sorry for the quaff.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a like for me. Subscribe if you haven't already for new videos every Tuesday. If you live in the Australia area, I'm going to be in your area. If you're in Australia, I'm going to be at an event called Game On. I'll put all the info in the description. And if you want to follow in my adventures, make sure to add me on Snapchat, Mikey Bolts. Add me on there. I'm going to be Snapchatting my story. Like there's no limit, like there wasn't 10 seconds. There will be. Probably cutting my words off. Make sure to check out my buddy Joey's channel. He just put up a hilarious video. It's awesome. If you like music, hope to see you on the Snapchats. What a stupid fucking thing to say. My fault. I said the stupid fucking thing. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Iggy Azalea's in the news. Iggy Azalea is in the news. Iggy Azalea is in the news.